Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make NFT digital art for beginners. This is going to be a very easy to follow tutorial, and after watch this video, you will be able to start creating NFTs yourself. What we need to do first is go ahead into Google on your browser. Then search for Board App P Crew. And now we need to click on this search result right here. This website is in Japanese, but we can click right here to translate it to English. After that, I am going to click here and then click on play. Then I am going to click right here, and we will need to randomize until we get a good design. Now I am going to make some changes to this NFT. Just watch what I am doing and try not to skip ahead. When I am happy with my design, I will need to where it says complete and then wait for the NFT to be created. Now when NFT is created, click right here to download image. In this way, you can make NFT digital art for beginners. So this was the process by which you can make NFT digital art for beginners. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and